surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So you were like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know.
Hey guys, welcome to Homemaking Heaven. I'm Kristen, and in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my morning routine. I try to do this every single morning, make the beds, get the laundry together. Of course, I open up all of my blinds to let the sunlight in. That always lifts my spirits. I do have a couple of mornings where my youngest son does not go to school, so those mornings look a little bit different, but for the most part, this is a consistent morning routine for me. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gives you a ton of motivation. If you're new, I would love for you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video from me. I would love to have you join me here and leave me a comment down below because I love getting to know you guys. I'm not going to talk throughout this video. I tried to put at the bottom of the screen what I'm doing throughout each video, but if you guys have any questions for me, definitely leave those in the comments down below. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll be back on Wednesday to share with you guys my spring cleaning, kind of like a checklist, but really just my plans for spring cleaning and decorating. So I hope that you guys will be back on Wednesday with me to hear about that. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And as always, much love. Bye.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight, but this time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone, gone,